Hi everyone, welcome into Wellverse Creations. I'm going to have a little fun with some resin today. I got these really cute little heart bezels and I think they would make darling charms for a journal that I'm working on. This is the color of the journal's cover, and so I was going to try and make one of them similar to that. It's kind of a fun color. So I got some new resin, and I was hoping it would be a little more pigmented and not look so jellyish. But that did not happen, so I think the issue with doing something this small and this shallow is there's just not enough room to build and get some depth in the color. But I'm telling you, the pictures were very misleading, and they showed them very pigmented, more solid than this jelly see-through look. Oh, I think that looks kind of cool. Let's bring a little bit more of that brown down in here. Okay, I've talked about adding some dried florals, and I have dried these cute little baby's breath. So I thought I would put a few in here. Has to be something small, doesn't it, for something this? I kind of like it with the little stem. So let's just pretend we know what we're doing. That should be pretty cute. So I just put a little bit in the lid, and I'm just going to kind of position it in here where I think I want it. I think I like it just at the top. Hopefully it will look just like that when it dries. Isn't that cute? And I also think I have to have a teal one. So I'm going to start with a little bit of this dark blue and put some teal down here. I mean this green, and a little bit above it. And then I think I just want clear at the top to work it into. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Now, I think in this one, I also want some glitter. And I think I want this one. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to dot it in a few little areas. I think I'm going to do that combo again. Okay, that's secure. Peel them off. I add to the backs of these because I also want the back side just a little bit fuller. If this was a necklace, you would want it to be flat on the back. But because I'm using them as a charm, I'm going to want just a little bit of fullness. Okay, so then my suggestion is that you work it over to the edges so that you don't have unfinished margins. Now what I'm doing is just making the beautiful little toppers for these charms. And so I just thought you would like to see that process. That looks really cute. So sweet. Okay. I think that one will go with that. Okay, I think I am ready to bend the wire now. I think I like those. Here they are applied to the journal, and they can just hang down on the lace.